Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back to my channel. This is a new video after several months. This is a short video where this is a travel for my hometown. So let's explore with me. So we are arriving at the destination one, for um, duck duck farm. So let's check that. We're just going there to watch the ducks, and let's see if we can buy them. And this the way which we're traveling is through villages. All the sides is filled with trees, and it's so serenity and beauty filled with. Alhamdulillah, we are just we're about to reach in 2 minutes to the duck farm. So let's see. So actually they didn't let to film the video in the poultry and for dog farm. So we have just made a clip of the cow and the roads. Yeah, we are now going to our destination 2 for my favorite place. So this is the way we are traveling inside the villages. I hope you're enjoying this video. I thought like let's explore a day with me. So this was a lake, very clean and nice. So we just stopped and just had a day and enjoyed there. We had went to a farm, nearby farm, and we saw the plantations, and also we have explored along these trees. It was so nice to just we just took up a lot of pictures over there. And this was a backside of our favorite place. I can't like tell where it is located due to some privacy reasons. So yeah, this was another one footage of the friend dad. And after evening we just started to cooking. So I was cooking mutton curry. So here are the steps. Just chop the onions for large, and stir it in oil. So we just thought why to cook in gas, we'll try outside. So this was just a fun activity outside. I was just trying to cook in in this fireplace, but not in the stove. So yeah, so chop the onions, stir it, fry till it get golden brown. So I was preparing this for 1 kg of mutton. So you may take this much of onions, and add 3 or 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and stir it well till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. It was a lot of fun cooking outdoors. And this is a clip of cooking rice as well. So yeah, this chopped onion tree, and yeah, 1 cinnamon stick, then half spoon of zira, then and 6 of chilies according to your taste. We just had a lot of chilies over there, and a little bit of ginger garlic paste. So you can use it 2 tablespoons to cook for 5 peoples. Stir it well till the raw smell goes. So in the meanwhile, I had kept the vessel of the mutton curry aside, and I was preparing rice first. So let's see this, and we shall continue the mutton curry recipe in the next footage. So yeah, so now here I have put a kg of mutton, then tomato slice, 4 tomato slices, and half cup of curd. Then all the garam masala, 1 tablespoon, chili powder 2 tablespoon, salt according to your taste, and 1 tablespoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. So yeah, stir well. So cook it till the tomato are mashed up. So later you can add a half liter of one liter of water, and leave it for cooking for 20 minutes. If you want a gravy consistency, so you can leave it for 20 minutes. If you want consistency of like sambar or like watery consistency, you can leave it for 10 to 12 minutes. So yeah, we are just continuing preparing rice. So yeah, those who have not watched it, so this is repeated one. So we are preparing hushka. So let's see how it goes. So I think in the previous one I have already told what are the ingredients required. So this was the ginger garlic paste. So the experience overall was very nice. So I had lot of energy to do all this. Alhamdulillah. So I tried a new thing instead of cooking indoors in the gas. So I thought of cooking outdoors this time because we had visited this place for a long time. So yeah. So let the rice cook. So yeah, let the rice cook, and it will take from 15 to 20 minutes, like how the flame it was. So in the meanwhile, this was footage where we are walking through the field. This is a ragi field, and there was a coconut too, a coconut field as well. So this is a between video. In the meanwhile, we went to the ragi fields to just explore around, and this was my daughter who was walking with me, and we made a rotis, and mother was helping me, and this was a night time, and it was almost 7 o'clock in the night. It was so nice eating the hot food, sitting outside in the cold weather. So it was a roti, mutton gravy, and this next one is sheekh roll, and the flat one, and with the rice. So we had a salad too. So I couldn't capture those videos. So alhamdulillah, the dinner was very nice. So I just enjoyed it. Jazakallahu khairan for watching my video. If you have liked it, please do subscribe to my channel and tell me what videos I do wanna make. Alhamdulillah, thank you.